Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I have a question for you today. Why do you want to learn English? Why do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Do you have an answer? Let me know in the comment section, why do you want to become fluent and confident in speaking in English? Now here I'm going to give you 3 reasons, guys, why it is very important to know the answer to this question. If you want to learn to speak English fluently and confidently, it is very important to know why you want to do that. Why this is your goal and why do you want to achieve this goal in life? Reason number 1 is motivation. Now, when you know the answer, if you know why you want to learn this language, why you want to speak this language fluently and confidently, you will be motivated to do it every single day. You will be motivated to achieve your target, your goal at the earliest without missing out on anything. So you'll strive hard, you will do anything and everything to achieve that goal. So it is a motivation basically. So for example, I want to make a career in training and development. I want to take training sessions. So for taking training sessions, I need to be confident and fluent in speaking in English. Let's take another example. If you want to go abroad to study, or if you want to join a big MNC, and that is why you want to learn this language, so that is also another motivation that you will start preparing for the interviews. You will start preparing to learn this language so that you can crack the interviews, you can interact with people, and it will be easy. It becomes easier for you to make a career in that field, in that company. Okay, so when you have a reason, it will be much easier for you to achieve your goal. So that will be a motivation for you to achieve your goal. So this is the first reason. Reason number 2 is you will take it seriously. Now, we do want to learn to speak English fluently and confidently, but it's just that we mix up with other things. Our other things also becomes priority. For example, our studies become our priority. Going out for shopping or attending any event or anything else becomes a priority. But this thing is not a priority. So if you know the answer why you want to achieve it, it will help you to take this thing also as your priority. Like we do a lot of things every single day. A lot of things are there in our priority list. I have to go to office. I have to attend this lecture. I have to go to my friend's place. I have to buy something, or the lots of things every single day which is there on our priority list that I have to do this today, right? So this thing, learning this language or practicing this language will also be in that list. So this is the reason why you will take it seriously and you will put it on your priority list so that you don't skip on practicing or learning this language, right? So that is why it is very important to set a goal or to think why you want to learn this language. And this seriousness will help you to achieve your goal at the earliest. Okay, and reason number 3 is you will definitely track your progress and you will gain confidence during the journey. So what happens is when you start practicing it every day, when you start working on things every day, you will know where you are. So you will be alert and you will definitely track your progress. You will see where you are right now, what more you need to do on it. So you will give some time, you will analyze things. So this analyzing or analysis is very important when you're trying to achieve something. As professionals also, every single day, probably once a week, I do sit and analyze my progress. I do see what I am doing right now, what else I can do, right, to better myself, to better my skills, right? So when you take things seriously, when you are motivated, when you are serious about something, you will definitely track your progress. You will definitely analyze what is happening with you, whether it is working or not, what else you need to add on, and how you can make this journey enjoyable, interesting, and shorter, right? So you'll track your progress, you will analyze things, you will see what is helping you or what is not helping you, and where you are right now and what more efforts you need to put in. So this is going to help you to achieve your goal of speaking English fluently and confidently, right? But you have to have a reason why you want to achieve this or why you want to do it. It's not about the timeline, it's more about what is your goal, what do you want to do in life, why you want to be successful in life, right? And that reason will help you to achieve your goal of being fluent and confident in speaking in English. So start thinking about it and start working on it, guys, without wasting your time. And if you want to know more about the techniques, tips, tricks, frameworks on how to speak English fluently and confidently, and you want to practice English speaking on daily conversational topics, this is the right channel for you. Do subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and share my videos, and do drop your comments in the comment section. So if you want to achieve fluency and confidence in speaking in English, this is the right platform for you. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.